everyone. So I wanted to come on here really quick since I'm doing laundry today. I wanted to share something really quick, a tip that has definitely worked for me, especially with jeans. My husband and I wear jeans, my son wears pants and jeans, so I feel like this method has helped me a lot, like in folding. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I just wanted to share this quick little hack that I learned on TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hack how to fold jeans. Really easy, and they're gonna take up less space in your closet or in a drawer. So you're gonna place them flat, and then you're gonna bring one of the legs all the way up, and then you're gonna bring the other leg all the way up. So it's like 3 or 4 steps, and then you bring this one up, fold it, bring it up, fold it, and then you're gonna close it like a book. So you're gonna have a really flat jean like this, and they're gonna go perfect flat or on the side like this. So I'm gonna show you again with another one. So I have this one, same, it's also pretty thick also. So you're gonna bring the leg all the way up, bring the other leg all the way up, bring the leg, half of the leg up, half of the leg up, and you're going to fold. There you have it. Super easy, super flat.